Hello student, Hemant Sir is here. So today we will continue with our mathematics part of the third. So we have already discussed about the addition and subtraction of third. So today we will understand the multiplication and division of thirds. We have root 7. It is example. It is root 7 into root 42. Root 42. Okay. Solution. See, here the power of root is 2. यहाँ पर कुछ नहीं लिखा है, that means the root का power क्या है 2 है. So if the both thirds or two or more thirds having their power of the root is same, they can undergo multiplication. Okay, so we can write solution root 7 into root 42. Then if their power is same, that means we can write 7 into 42. 7 into 42. Now we have to multiply now. So 7 2s are 40. 14 का 4 carry करेगा 1. 7 4s are 28 and 1 29. So this is the answer. It is 294 is the multiplication of root 7 and root 42. Okay, really it is very simple. Next. So this is the answer. So we can write this in its simple form also. How? See. We are solving by this different method. That means we are simplifying this part. Okay. So we have root 7 into root 42. So we can write as root 7 into. Can we factorize this part? We have to factorize this part into, we know 42 is 7 into 6. 7 into 6. 7 6 are 42. Okay. So again here both the thirds have same power. So we can write as 7 into 7 into 6. 7 into 7 into 6. 7 into 7 into 6. ये हम कब करेंगे जब इनकी जो पावर है उससे होंगे तब. Then we know 7 into 7 is square of 7, so we can write as 7 square into 6, or we can write separately as square of 7 into root 6. So square and root will get cancelled, so we will get answer 7 root 6. So this is the answer. So this is the simplest form. Simplify. Okay? This is the simple form of, or we can write it a simple form of the surds. Okay? So write down. This is very important. So now we are going to solve the fourth question of your exercise, which is the simplify the surds. The exercise 2.3. Exercise 2.3, or we can say the practice set. Practice set 2.3. Okay. Fourth question. Question number 4 says simplify the given surds. So we have 27 root 27. This is A. Then we have B root 50. So two questions I am going to solve and 2 will be the homework for you. Okay. So we have to simplify this given surds. So it is root 27 and it is root 50. So we are going to simplify this part. So we have to write solution. solution. We know we have root 27. So we have to factorize this 27 into simpler form. So we can write it as 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. So we can write 27 as 3 into 3 into 3. So here we can see that 3 into 3 is 3 square. So we can write it as 3 square into 3. 3 square into 3. 3 3s are 9 and 9 into 3 is 27. So we can write both the numbers separately as 3 square into root 3. This square and root will get cancelled. So answer will be 3 root 3. This is the answer. Okay. Next we have root 50. So root 50 we can write it as 5 into 5 into 2. See, 5 into 5 is 25 and 25 2 is 50. Then we can write here it as 5 into 5 is nothing but square of 5. So we have to write inside root square of 5 into 2. Square of 5 into 2. So now we have to write both separately. Like root square of 5 into root of 2. Again square and root will get cancelled. So answer will be 5 root 2. So this is the answer, and we can say this is the simplest form. 5 root 2 is the simplest form of root 50. Okay. So write down the answer. Question 5 says, compare the given surds whether they are equal or greater or lesser. Okay. So compare the following pair of surds. First, or we can say A. We have 7 root 2 and 5 root 3. 5 root 3. Now we have to check whether the given surds which are equal or not, or they are greater or they are lesser than other. So we have to solve now. Solution. So we have 7 root 2. See, we do not know whether they are equal or not. So we have to write question mark here. And here we have 5 root 3. Then when 7 will go inside the root will come in the form of square. So we can write it as 2 into 7 square. 2 into 7 square. Again in box we have question mark. And here we will write root 3 into square of 5. Okay. So 2 into square of 7 is 49. Again question mark here. 3 into square of 5 is 25. Now we have to multiply. 4 9s are 2 9s is 18. 18 का 1 कैरी कर 18 का 8 कैरी करेगा 1. 2 4s are 8 and 1 9. So root 98. Here 25 3s are 75. See, now here we have inside the root 98 and here we have 75. So we know this number is greater than this number. So we have to put the sign of greater than here. So we know root 98 is greater than root 75. Therefore, this is the greater than this part. So we can write 7 root 2 is greater than 5 root 3. This is the answer. Okay. So write down the solution. We have the second question. 4 root 42. This A. See here, first we have already solved. Second, third, and fourth is really very simple. Now we are going to solve the fifth question. Fifth, it is the first one. Fifth one, we have 4 root 42. 4 root 42 and 9 root 2. 9 root 2. Okay, solution. We have 4 root 42. In box we have to write question mark because we don't know whether they are equal or not equal. And we have 9 root 2. Now we have to take this 4 and 9 inside the root. So they will come along with square form. So we have 42 into square of 4. Again here question mark. Here we will write 2 into square of 9. Then 42 into square of 4 is 16. Again we have to write question mark. Here 2 into square of 9 is 81. Then we have to multiply. 16 twos are 32. So 32 का 2 कैरी करेगा यहाँ और कैरी करेगा 3 here. 16 fours are 64 and 3. 64 and 3 is 67. Okay. So root 672 will be the answer for this part. Now here we don't know whether they are equal or not. That means we have to calculate this part first. So root 2 into 1 is 2 and 8 8s are 16. So we have 162. So we know 672 is greater than 162. That means this one is the greater. So we have to put the sign greater than. Therefore we can write here this part is greater than this part. So 4 root 42 is greater than root 162. Okay. So this is the answer. Okay. So write down both the solution. So now we will solve the sixth question. The sixth question says simplify. So we have 5 questions in question number. No, we have only 4 questions in sub question in question number 6. So I am going to solve 2 questions. Then 2 will be homework for you. Okay. So simplification is really very easy. Okay. So we have to write solution. So we have 5 root 3 plus 8 root 3. Here we have root 3 is common. So we have to take root 3 common. So what will remain inside? 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8. So root 3. What is 5 plus 8 is? 13. So we can write 13 root 3 is the simplification of first question. Okay. So this is the answer. Here solution we have root 7 minus 3 by 5 of root 7 plus 2 root 7. So here we have root 7, here again root 7 and here again root 7. So we can take root 7 as common. So we have taken root 7 is common. So what will remain inside here? We have 1. Here we have minus 3 by 5 and plus here we have 2. So these two are 2 and 1 have same sign. So they will get add. So root 7 inside. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 minus 3 by 5. So we have to simplify this part. Here we have nothing but 1. So root 7 into 5 3s are 15 minus 1 3 is 3 divided by 5 1 is 5. So root 7 15 minus 3 is 12. So 12 divided by 5, or we can write it as 12 divided by 5 of root 7. So this is the answer. Okay. So this is the simple form of question number 4. Okay. So this is the way you have to simplify the given 2 more questions. Okay. So in practice set we have completed till question number 6. So in next video we have 3 more questions to solve. Then we will move on binomial quadratic search. Okay. So guys, आपके टेस्ट यूनिट टेस्ट आने वाली है. So for unit test you have to get prepared for the test. Okay. And if you are getting any kind of problem in understanding, please do call me on my number 9730305883, so that you will get solution of your problems and you will get good marks. So I want in science as well as in mathematics good marks. In other subjects also, but especially I am teaching science and mathematics. So I want good marks in science and mathematics. Okay. So you will get any problem, just call me on my number. Okay. Or you will get my number from the WhatsApp group also. Okay. So bye for now.